If you were struck by a drunk operator of a truck, you actually have a great case. I hope that you would not be seriously injured or worse, have a wrongful death case. But clearly, those types of cases exist. They're actually all too common, and they are, generally speaking, some of the best cases that are out there as far as negligence cases against trucking companies. Unfortunately, there are many, many truck drivers that have alcohol abuse or other drug abuse, and the fact is that that problem does exist. To protect your rights, contact an experienced New York negligence lawyer as soon as possible after your accident.